coast. Barely see him up there, hanging in the wind. Big devils out there in the wind. Oh no. It's him. Because this wind is quite strong. On a day like this, it's nothing better to do than step inside a beach bar and enjoy the warmth. This is Marbella when they have winter in Spain. Yeah, I gotta keep on moving, huh? Yeah, people don't move. They want to stay inside in the warmth. I don't understand it. If you spend a few weeks or days on vacation in another place, why don't do it outdoor? Or even if it's not a sunny day, it's interesting. I just wish I didn't have this music on. Then I could really enjoy this. Normally, on a day, on the middle of the day, just a couple of hours before sunset, this place would be packed with people. But today, everyone is inside. Yeah, there is the warm and the heat and yeah, the cozy place. I like it outside, but I'm the only one, it seems. Oh well, and I miss the birds. Hello, darling. Yeah? Oh, you want food? Yeah? Of course you do. I have. Come down to me. Yeah? Down here. Oh, you're very welcome, you know. Yeah. Beautiful.